And for every click you're going to get using this software, you can get paid anywhere between $10 up to $20 very easily. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly what this software is and how to use it to make these amounts of money with CPA marketing. So even if you are a complete beginner using just a couple of websites and this free software, you will be able to make anywhere between $10 up to $100 per day just by doing this. Now this is going to work anywhere in the world. It's going to require literally zero skills or any previous experience with CPA marketing. All you have to do is just have your laptop and an internet connection and a couple of minutes of your time to set it up, and also to make sure to watch this video from beginning to the end so you will know exactly how this method works and how you can make some money with it too. So just make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell to never miss out on any of my future uploads, and also down in the comments type in something very random just for the YouTube algorithm. And now just let's get started. Before we get started, one more thing for you guys. I've got a couple of spots still open left in my coaching program, so if you want to learn the exact same method that I'm using myself to make anywhere between $6,000 to $7,000 per month with affiliate marketing without showing my face anywhere on the internet, without using any of this, without using any of my social media or this YouTube channel for that matter, and I'm still getting results just like these. So if you want to learn this exact same method, just check out the first link in the video description and I hope to see you there. Okay, so now just let's get started with the actual method. What you want to do is go to CPAgrip.com. This method is going to be making you money with CPA marketing, and for that what you want to do is sign up to a CPA Grip account. If you already don't have one, pretty much just click on register right here, and all you need to do pretty much is go ahead and sign up for your free account using your personal information. Fill in all these fields right here. And also many of you have been asking me what to do if you do not have a Skype account that you can type in there. What I'm going to show you right now is a simple hack that you can use yourself. If you're going to be signing up for your CPA Grip account, just delete Skype and type in there, for example, something like Instagram or Facebook or any other social media account that you may have. Now the important part you really cannot miss while signing up for CPA Grip, you want to go to this publisher type and you want to select website/insent or GPT. If you're going to select one of these options, your account will get approved instantly and you'll get to do this method right away. But if you're going to select one of these other two, that's not going to be the case. So what you want to do is make sure to select website/insent or GPT, type in your email address, choose a very strong password because you are going to be making money on this account and you want that money to be protected, and then just go ahead and tick all of these three boxes and click on register now. Once you sign up for your account, you want to log right into it, and once you log into your account, you want to go to offer tools, and if you're going to check out these offers that are available for United States, you can see right here for your brand new account, these are the offers that you are going to be available. You can get paid anywhere between a couple cents up to $2.06 for each completion of these CPA offers. So that means, for example, if 10 people are going to complete this offer from United States, you are going to get paid $20.60. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to actually multiply these earnings by 5. So let's say, for example, the same 10 people are going to complete your CPA offer. Instead of $20.60, you will be paid over $100 for the same amount of work. What you want to do to make that happen is just go to these categories and you want to filter by France. Select that, and what you want to do is make sure you're going to filter by payout, and as you can see right here at the top, you will get all of these French CPA offers that are going to be paying you over $20, but these offers are a credit card submit. These are very hard to complete, and one of the reasons why they are paying so much is because first of all, they are in completely different language, so it's easier to communicate with the target audience, and also not that many people are comfortable with submitting their credit card info. But if you're going to scroll a little bit down, you can see right here you got these pin submit offers that are going to be paying you $10.27. Now although these are paying you just half of what the top performing offers are paying, they are pin submit, which is pretty much like a mobile phone submit, and these are way easier to complete, so you can get a lot more completions, which is going to make you a lot more money if you're going to be promoting these offers instead of the top paying ones. Now also another tricky part, what you can see right here, this offer is completely in French, so if you don't speak French, you get no idea what it's about, but I'm going to show you how to overcome that as well. What you want to do is go ahead and copy this title of this offer, and then you want to use this awesome tool created by Google completely for free that you can use to help you with this issue. Pretty much just go to Google Translate and you want to paste the title of the offer in there, and it's going to translate it for you. So you can see right here, this offer is promoting €500 gift card. So as you can see right here in the translated text, this offer is promoting €500 gift card, which is pretty much like a $550 at the which is pretty much like a $550 at the time of recording this video. So you can think of this as a $500 gift card that people can sign up just by using their mobile phone number. So to be able to successfully make money with the CPA offer, you need two things. First of all, you need some way to communicate with French people, which is pretty much solved completely by using this Google Translate tool. And for the second part, you need to be able to get traffic from France, because it's not going to be working for any other country out there. Now, to actually overcome that issue, that's going to be a little bit more tricky. What you want to do is go back to Google Translate and you want to type in there something that has to do with the CPA offer. So for example, if you're promoting $500, €500 gift card, that means you're promoting money. That means you're promoting something related to money. So what you want to do is go ahead and type in the Google Translate something like how to save money and translate it to French. As you can see right here, it's going to translate into something that I'm not going to try to pronounce because I don't speak French, but I'm going to trust that Google Translate has done its job and has translated this text correctly, and I'm just going to copy it. Then just go to Google and I'm going to paste it in there. And what you want to do is add a one word at the end of this sentence, and that word is going to be Pinterest. What you want to do is search for this exact same term, and as you can see right here, this is going to find you literally tons of posts that are going to be in French, created by French people on Pinterest. And if you're going to open this first up, for example, you will find all of these posts that are in French, created by French people, and they have something to do with saving money. Now, I don't speak French, but I'm pretty sure they have something to do with saving money, because as you can see right here at the top, you've got this sentence that says the exact same thing that we have in the translated text on Google Translate. And because I have translated how to save money and this exact same thing is in here, I'm going to take it for granted this has something to do with saving money. Now, for this method to work, what you want to do is go back to CPA Grip and you want to copy the link to your CPA offer, pretty much just copy it, then just go to bit.ly or any other link shortener that you may want to use, because you need to shorten this link. Just click on create new, paste it in there, just like that. And what I'm going to also do is in this back half section, I'm going to go back to Google Translate and I'm going to translate something like get €500 gift card, and I'm just going to copy this lengthy French text and I'm going to paste it as a back half of my URL. So it's going to look something like this, and it's going to make sense to French people what this link is about. Then just click on create, and once you get your shortened link, what you want to do is just copy it, go to Pinterest, go to your profile, and for this to work, you don't have to have any special profile. Any basic profile is going to work. All you have to do is just go to your profile, click on edit, and what you want to do is in this field where it says website, you want to paste your shortened bit.ly link. Then go to this part where it says about, and what you want to type in there is something like, are you from France? Want to win €500 gift card? Click below. But also make sure you're going to translate it using Google Translate, because it's not going to be making sense to French people if it's going to be in English. So what you want to do is translate it into French and copy it and paste it into the about section of your Pinterest profile. Then just pretty much make sure you're going to save it, and it's going to look something like this. You will get your shortened link right here with the short description in French. All you need to do now is just make sure you're going to get as many people from France as possible to see your profile. Now, there's a way to do that without having to post anything, and I'm going to show you a free bot that's going to be doing most of the work for you. All you have to do is just set it up. But before I show you the actual website, I'm going to show you how this method works so you will know what to do, and then go ahead and set it up yourself. Go back to the French version of Pinterest with saving money in the title, and what you want to do is look through these posts and find some that have tons of followers. For example, let's check out this one right here. You can see that this person has 791 followers, and I'm going to assume he's from France because he's posting this French article about saving money. And as a bonus, guys, as you can see right here, in the comments, first comment on this person's post is something like this, which is in French. And if you're going to open this profile up, you can see this person is doing exactly this same method that I'm showing you in today's video. So you can see it's something that's out there and it's making other people money. So what you want to do is go through these French posts, and you want to find some that have literally thousands of followers. For example, this person right here has 10.2k followers. So that means even if half of these are actually French, you're looking at 5,000 potential clicks to your profile, and that's very good. What you want to do to actually harvest this traffic is just go to this person's profile and you want to click on the follower count. it's going to display to you all of these followers that are following this French person, and all you want to do now, just start following them one by one. They are going to receive this notification right here that you have followed them. They will be curious who you are and why did you follow them. They will open your profile, they will see the French text with the French call to action in the bio, and they will click on the website, and if they're going to complete the offer, you're going to get paid. Now, to actually do this manually by following all of these people is very ineffective. What you want to do actually to make this process completely automated is use this website right here that's called Sumibo.com. Just go to Sumibo, and what you want to do here is sign up for your account at first and actually download this software to your computer. What this software is going to do is going to allow you to automate this task of following all of these people on Pinterest that are following somebody else, and it's going to be doing it for you without you having to do all the work yourself. Now, if you go to the pricing part of this website, you can see that this bot is completely free. You can use it without spending any money from your own pocket, and it's going to be working with over 12 social media platforms. Now, as you can see right here, this is going to come with some limitations if you are going to be using this free account, but if you're going to check this out, the premium paid version costs only $15.95 per month. So what you want to do is pretty much go ahead and sign up for the free version, and once you're going to get at least 2 conversions, which is pretty much over $20, just go ahead and reinvest them into this premium version, and it's going to make this process even that much simpler. Or if you want to entirely skip this free part of this process, what you want to do is scroll all the way down here, and as you can see, you can get 14-day free trial of all paid plans. So pretty much just sign up for your account and you get this paid plan for 14 days without you having to spend any money before. So just go ahead and set this up using this premium plan if you're feeling adventurous, because using this paid version is going to give you a slight edge in getting these conversions, and you can make a lot more money right away. And that's it for today, guys. I really hope you like this method. Now, if you're hungry for some more money making content, try checking out this video right here. Other than that, I just hope you have a fantastic day, and I'm going to see you next time.